Hey, let's go have a look at what it takes to get the cat on the lowboy and get out of Dodge here. Only let's do it from the air.
I got the pedal to the middle, pushing 18 wheels and hoping that the hammer lane's clean. 'Cause I know you're waiting on me, baby, in those skin-dyed blue denim jeans. It don't matter to me if there's holes in the knees or if you just put them on brand new. You can bet that your truck driving man is a coming for you. Yeah, so keep your pants on, sugar, I'm hanging on every curve. Keep your pants on, baby, I'm making that diesel burn. 'Cause my mind's on what I got at home, and I'm getting closer every mile. So keep your pants on, honey, I'll breathe her in a little while. Now don't get me wrong, man, I like a little skin as much as the next man does. A cute little miss in a short dress, oh, she knows she gives me buzz. But when my lady's home shutting, buddy, there ain't nothing that compares to her hip-hugging jeans. That's why I'm ripping up the gears and yelling on my old CB. Yeah, keep your pants on, sugar, I'm hanging on every curve. Keep your pants on, baby, I'm making that diesel burn. 'Cause my mind's on what I got at home, and I'm getting closer every mile. So keep your pants on, honey, I'll breathe her in a little while. Yeah, I bet you're watching that clock, walking that floor. Well, baby, I won't stop till I've got this big old truck at the door. So keep your pants on, sugar, I'm hanging on every curve. Keep your pants on, baby, I'm making that diesel burn. 'Cause my mind's on what I got at home, and I'm getting closer every mile. Keep your pants on, honey, I'll be there in a little while. Yeah, keep your pants on, honey, I'll breathe her in a little while.